Want me to sit down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold the baby.
Okay, I'll hold the baby.
Okay.
You do the puzzle.
Did you like it?
I turn the light on. Good girl. Look out for Josie. Good girl. You can do it. Okay, hold on. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good girl.
Wait a minute.
Is that the duck's head?
Yeah, go right here.
No, I don't think it goes there, sweetie.
Why?
It goes right on his body.
Right here.
Yep. Oh, close.
Look at me.
Okay, sweetie. Here. Right there. Yay! Is that Bobo?
Wait, Bobby doing?
He's scratching. Good girl. It goes on the other side. Yep, right.
Why?
Here you go.
Wow,
Oh, look out for Josie. He stepped on your puzzle.
Yeah.
It's silly. Look out for Josie. Let me see, Lauren. Okay, Lauren, the other side. Goes on the other side. Goes right here, Lauren. No. Right here. Right there. No, it goes right here. Okay, well it doesn't. Right here. Lauren, it goes right here. Let me see it. You put it right here. See? See? It goes right there. It's not going to go. The other pieces go there, sweetie. Yeah. Get the other pieces. The other pieces go there. Here you go. One more. Good for you.